Hi, third graders. Today we are going to be starting our U-turn letters, which are U, Y, and W. And if you notice, we have some uppercase letters and lowercase letters in this packet. So make sure your name's on the front cover. All right, let's get started. So our first page is U-turn letters. Put your pencil on the dot and write each letter as the instructions are read. So make a U-turn, go back down to the writing line, there. And this one has the same instructions. Make a U-turn, go back down to the right line. So make a U-turn, except the small U, you're going to stop at the broken middle line and go back down to the writing line. All of U-turns are formed the same for the upper and lowercase. We'll practice them together. So write a line of uppercase U's, it says. Make a U-turn all the way to the top, or retrace back down. U-turn all the way to the top, retrace back down. U-turn all the way to the top and retrace back down. U-turn all the way up, retrace back down. Whoops, I am not okay with that. I can always go back and erase it too. So, write a line of lowercase u's. So make a U-turn, retrace back down. And remember, lowercase u's, you stop at the broken middle line. All right. This says write a line of U's, connect in twos. So uppercase U all the way to the top, retrace all the way back down, and then connect with your lowercase u. So uppercase U all the way up, retrace back down, go all the way to the broken middle line, make a U-turn, retrace back down. All the way up, retrace back down, broken middle line, all the way up, retrace back down, broken middle line, all the way up, retrace back down, broken middle line, all the way up, retrace back down, and to the broken middle line. Write a line of upper and lowercase u words. So this says Utah, us, and usual. So let's try it. All the way up, U-turn, retrace back down. T goes all the way up, retrace on that line. A, 2 o'clock, and then H, retrace back down. All right, cross your T. Us. U-turn, connect your S. Usual. U, S, U, A, and L. Ursula just got up there. So we're going to write that sentence. We can start right here and then continue down below. So U for Ursula. You're going to connect your R, lowercase r, and then your S, touch. And then your 2 o'clock A, L, loop around, 2 o'clock A. I don't have enough room here, so I'm going to start my word just down here. So just remember, it goes down in the basement, make a loop up. U, connect your S. S's are really tricky. So keep working on those S's. I'm going to go back over, dot, and cross. Got is at 2 o'clock. Same with your O. Remember, with your O, you're going to go all the way up. You're not going to go down until you retrace back down. So you connect on that little connector there. Up. I'm bringing some of my old school cursive in there, starting it right over there, but please don't start it over there. Sometimes I have to retrain my brain with some of the easy handwriting. And then there. TH. Same with my H too. In the old school handwriting, we had loops in our H's. Not with this. If you want to, you can start, and you can practice Ursula again. I do have room to maybe start and do a little bit of the word Ursula again. But good job, third graders. Keep it up.